just slightly. Whatever. Whoa! Who cares about physics? Well, actually, no. You want to see a company that doesn't care about physics? Look at Sonic 4. Ooh, burn. Anyway. What's this thingamajig?
You have acquired the Armor Magnetizer. This useful device ionizes your armor to attract bolts from increased distances.
Oh, wow. That's a pretty little attachment right there. Now we get bolts from longer distances. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Whoa! Cutscene. Whoa! Trying to get the preemptive on me now, are ya? See how grenades work on ya. Wow, oh. Okay, that was a level up. I was lied to, I thought the grenades were one-shots. Actually, we could replay that. Oh, never mind. Okay. Yeah, not really. I mean, we've only used the Mcgoufan ball. By the way, yeah, the other devices you'll never actually use. You don't need to. So I'm gonna try to stick with the grenades as much as I can in this area. It's a very nice little area to level up. Great! Yes, you do gain experience for your weapons by destroying crates. No. So apparently it would be right here. That's oddly specific. No, no, no. Come on. We're just getting the dots here. Yeah, I've made that as complex as possible. Oh, a bunch of little guys. This is the area where you want to grind off of a lot. Look at all this juice.
Captain's got word that a lot bags may have landed in the vicinity. Bounties up to 20 quid and a new rotator socket.
Look at all that experience, guys. Oh, it never looks so beautiful. I'm surprised I haven't leveled this thing up fully yet. Actually, you know, let's do that. No, let's level with the combustion. Oh, hello. Come on, you little bird brains. Level up my combustion. Come on, I know you can do it. There's plenty of you guys to go around. Gee, like we really need a bolt trail to get up here. God, my aim is terrible. No, don't fall down. I have to get the Ratchet because trust me, it's gonna be very rare when you go through the New Game Plus. Yeah, New Game Plus, Ratchet is not that common anymore. Because more or less you'll reject all of it from here, so eh. Jump, jump, yeah, yo. Never saying that again. Yeah, level 5. Triple cannon action!
Congratulations! You have upgraded to the Magma Combustor. Your weapon has been modified with 3 additional plasma barrels to cover more ground.
Okay, what should we use now? Well, unless we're using the Shard Reaper. Yeah, let's use the Shard Reaper.
This the pirate terratory.
Okay, apparently my thing does nothing to you. Wow, okay, one shot. No! When you level up to level 5, I believe they actually start walking around with you. Wow! Okay. I wasn't expecting that. Come on. No. Yep. You should never fail those. Plasma beast in the water? Oh yeah! Wow, these things are little devils. One-shot kill. There's someone singing. Go! You guys hear that? Oh. Oh, you're still alive. Oh, monkey. Wow, we got a lot more uranium. I don't like that. A lot more damage. What cares damage? Eh, well. Wow, okay, that practically made us broke. Alright, yeah, I can't afford anything else. Yay. Wow, okay, that was a waste of ammo. Now we're good. Well, I hear a party. Let's go break up the party. Come on. That was not the line I drew. Well, that's what we're guessing.
Intruder! Blast that mangy.
Also, in the new game plus, why is the face facing the wrong way?
Watch out!
Yeah, that's right. I got plasma beasts. Come on. Take care of him, Johnny. Oh, looks like you guys still want some more, right? Okay, I'm running low on health. Back to the shop.
Welcome.
Thank you. Yeah, level 3. Come on, take care of him. Is that all you guys got? Haha! There's the powers of my sentient goo! Whoa, okay. I was gonna say, physics, are you gonna work here? Let's get all these little crates. Go! Yarg, yarg, yarg. Okay. Ooh. Epic part of the song! Let's go see what this door has to say.
Only a pirate can pass through these doors, lad. Be gone.
What if I don't want to be gone?
You again? Take a hint, mate. Pirates only.
But I want to be a pirate.
Only a pirate can pass through these doors, lad. Be gone.
Okay, fine. Have it your way. Anyway, yes, that elevator does lead up there, which I believe has either a hollow plan or I don't know, something. So you're gonna find something that has to, you know, whoa. Ow, I got hit by that. Die, you! Hey, level up. Sweet. Then I blew the crates. Oh god, I hate this enemy in, you know, New Game Plus.
We need to keep a safe distance.
God, he took 3 plasma beasts. Okay, it takes 4 plasma beasts to kill him. That's awesome. That's practically all I used. Alright, come on.
You're close to the treasure room, but you'll need to find a way out. Slag's crew is already onto us.
Oh yeah. Oh, you guys are still alive, eh? Ah, triple kill. I love you so. You know what? I'm gonna don't take pity on you. Goodbye. Oh, you're still alive, eh? Why not? Jump. I know you can get up there. Yeah, I had to get that one last bolt. Let's get some life. Yeah, come on, let's get a life. You know me, we're nerds. We don't have lives. Well, most nerds don't have lives. I don't mean to offend you fellow nerds that you don't do have lives. Whatever, I'm gonna shut up now.
We found it! But what is it? Quick! Hide!
A pirate evermore. What be that foul smell?
Aye, that oyster chili be disagreeing with me something fierce.
No, there be a yet fouler smell. One I not be smelling for nigh 600 moons.
Oh, fresh trousers?
comebacks. Roust the lads, Rusty Pete. Tonight our foes taste the cat's tail.
Hey, Rust Bucket! Catch!
Arr! Skewer that saucy wench!
Aye, Captain! Skewering!
Arr! Me wee cannonballs!
Ah, that's gotta hurt for Rusty Pete.
Ratchet, come in. I've got the artifact. Kronkin's...
Alright, Chief.
Hold on. Before you say anything else, I just want to, level my stuff. Darn. Anyway, you can keep talking.
We're landing the ship at the Skull Radio Tower. I'll meet you there.
This lift takes you back to the beginning of the level. Takes you back to the beginning of the level. Don't, take it. Alright, come on, pretty boys. I feel random. Let's use some grenades.
Attention, ye worthless swine! A
Wow.
girlfriend just stole our traitor! Snap to and bring me their heads!
Bring me their heads? Okay. Yeah, we're going to the pub, guys. What do you mean we stole from the captain? We didn't steal anything. The cutscene didn't show us stealing anything, so which means we didn't steal anything. Get that through your... Oh, I love that glitch. They clearly hit them, but they were still in their stun animation, so it didn't count as damage. Yeah, it happens a lot in this game. I want my boxes! Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go! We're running around the pole. Walking... I was walking around the pole. Where's the thing? Ah, there it is. Yoo-hoo! Dick move right here. Hi! Oh gosh. Coming in with an explosive entrance. Let's try shock Ravager. Oh wait, no, this is already level 5. Plasma beast? Yeah.
The radio tower. Looks like they're using it to send enemy distress calls to unsuspecting ships.
No, one more. Wrong one. There we go. Haha.
Congratulations! You have upgraded to the Plasma Stalker Mine. Your synthetic friends have learned a few new tricks, including how to tunnel underground to reach enemies.
Pretty much now, whenever you use them, they'll lock on the enemies, and now this is gonna be a pain. That was a really bad thing to show. Oh, it's still controlled by camera. Come back, you little pathetic tornado, you. You're not doing a whole lot. Son of a... Blah! Good. You guys can have fun with that.
Dance with the blade.
Okay. Get some health. Health? Anyone? No? Okay. That's great. I know it's against my... Come on, you little suckers. Gosh, I'm nervous right now because one shot will literally kill me. Come on, shoot him. Yeah, level up. Oh, you three. Yeah, that's easy.
Attention, you swine! This man is speaking. The meaty purple and his friends have yet to be apprehended. Catch the thieving sculptor or face the edge of me blade.
That's Slow Secret right here. Didn't know this was my first time playing through this level. Heyo. And what we got over here? Oh, doesn't seem to be anything out here. Ah, there we go. Hello, plan. And some
You have
help.
discovered another piece of the Gadgetron Hollow Plan.
Sweet. Alright. Oh, look at this. Pirates can drink. Gulp, 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 gulp. Alright. She'll be coming around the mountain when she comes. She'll be coming around the mountain when she... Oh my gosh. I believe in...
Come in. We're waiting for you on the loading dock outside the tower.
I believe in the New Game Plus there's actually, you know, a electric enemy out here. Wow, I'm dodging these bullets like a champ.